Isn't it funny how society tends to crave, desire materialistic things like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, mansions, when some things that are free are so much better, so much more beautiful. We're out here climbing the mountain, grounding, enjoying the cold weather, and just appreciating creation itself. And if you ask me, I feel like this experience itself is way more wholesome. Stick to the important things, appreciate the small things, appreciate the free things, because perhaps they're a lot better than those created by man.